Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca Robeson, and do you see what I'm wearing today? My riding boots. You know why? Because I'm in Tulsa. I just flew into Tulsa to surprise Tyler and Shara. They don't know I'm coming, so I'm gonna go up to their door now. I haven't seen their house in real life. And I'll tell you more about that in a minute, so stay tuned. We have checked off so many things on our to-do list since we last talked. We've planned out all our Christmas content. Here we have it, Christmas 2020. This is what Shinoda has donated and given us. This is all of my stuff. Turns out there's enough room, we can do all of Shara's, and then we can put in all the new stuff from Shinoda for this year. So when we say Santa Claus is coming to town, Tulsa, we mean it. We had a baby shower for Shara in San Diego. And, oh, can't forget, I closed out officially my Cliff House project. Woo! We just revealed the Cliff House, and I can tell you right now, my clients love everything.
After 4 years of this renovation project going on, literally since Tyler and I got married, she's been putting her all into this project and just seeing it all come together. That's the best part, and it's finally happening.
Well, I was in charge of designing this whole project, not only the inside, but I got to do the exterior as well. And it is the most gorgeous place ever.
I think it's safe to say that our clients love the fact that they get to call this place their home.
We're gonna have a YouTube video coming out the first of the year, like January, February of 2021. But if you wanna see the details of the Cliff House now, you can get an exclusive look at it right now by joining the design sessions, because over there we are unpacking all the different design principles and the process I went through in each room of that house. Hello, Design Sessions members. Welcome to today's episode. This is the first of the series of where we unpack the Cliff House room by room and show you everything that I did in what I would consider probably the best project of my entire career. So keep your eyes open for that video to come out on YouTube in 2021. Oh, and did I mention, I'm in the middle of a last-minute renovation in my home. Those of you who have been watching me a long time, you're gonna be excited about this. I'm getting my kitchen remodeled. I know, right? Just in time to put it on the market and sell it.
Perfect timing, really.
I'm in the middle of the Cliff House install. I had Shara's shower yesterday. We just sent off the Christmas pods. My house is in the middle of a renovation. The kitchen guys started on Monday of last week and is supposed to begin installing the actual cabinets later this week. Well, it looks to me like I need to go shopping.
Yep, you do.
And then there's this, my makeshift kitchen. Wah, wah. Kind of a big deal, huh, Dorian?
Huge.
Yeah.
We also cannot forget about another big thing that we accomplished. We moved to Tulsa.
That's right, the Stevens crew are officially Tulsans.
What do you think of your new house? Scout is adjusting to our new home quite well.
We spent 4 days on the road driving from San Diego to Tulsa, stopping at every state sign that we crossed.
Honey, I'm home. We have the unpackers here today. They're gonna unpack the pods into the house. Our pods arrived shortly after we did, and we quickly started turning this house into our new home. Anyone wanna see me in the bathtub as a child? Me and my mom. Look at her hair. Look at this beautiful wall of decor. Doesn't this room just make you happy? It makes me happy. Well, it did make me happy.
So it took us a couple tries to get our stuff out of the pod.
Wrong code. Give me my stuff.
And once we got it out, we actually realized how big this house is. We might need more furniture.
Master bedroom is orange, guest room is blue, office is red, and then I don't have the white tape here, but the white tape, it's just master closet. You can put it in master bedroom. Boy, do I have plans for renovating this space. We want to paint the walls, paint the trim, add some can lighting, renovate 2 bathrooms and the back house. Lots of plans for the basement. I'd love to get a washer dryer up here. I mean, it's endless projects, and I am very excited.
It's gonna be great.
So I hope by now you guys know that I too am moving to Tulsa. I'm on my way to Tulsa to see Tyler and Shara for the first time in their new home. I was waiting until I finished the Cliff House project and got my house ready to sell. They've been trying to get me to come out for the longest time, and I haven't been able to go. And now today I'm surprising them. I mean, I really missed them. Not only because they're my kids, but they're also my business partners. So you know what? I planned a secret surprise visit for them. They don't know I'm coming, so I'm gonna go up to the door now. I haven't seen their house in real life. They had no idea, and when I arrived, oh yeah, it was so much fun.
Dorian was like, kept getting, I know, Dorian was like getting the camera. I'm like, wow, he's really on it with this camera.
He's only here 24 hours, man.
I mean, I was literally in complete shock. I had no idea that my mom was coming, and it was such a fun surprise.
Oh, honey.
It
looks so cute.
Wait, where are you gonna sleep?
Oh my gosh, their house. Is that amazing? Oh my gosh. Well, oh my gosh.
Can I get one more? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
And then to the dining room.
Yes.
Here's my
Looks
painting of Scout that I
amazing. Is it done? Oh, sorry.
Always stealing my thunder with, is it done?
Nothing better than your mother-in-law showing up at your front door, unexpected.
Do you think it's called wainscot or wainscoat?
Wainscot.
I think so too.
I Googled it.
You did? You might have tried to Google that 20 years ago, so I could have been saying
I
it
was
right
10.
When you were 10.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
Gosh, I would have had it way more
Those
done.
are
I knew you were coming here.
I want a glass of wine.
Not yet.
What do you mean not yet? It's late. Yes.
10.
I know.
It's 2:10 your time.
Yes, but I didn't fly first class, so
That's
I got some catching up to do.
wow.
Whoa, this is a super cute chair.
IKEA.
No. So we're in Shara's bathroom now, and guess what I see? Don't you want to show your mom your bath bombs?
No.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is where you're sleeping.
You know what you're standing on?
What am I standing on? The laundry chute.
And look, it goes all the way down to
Oh
the
my
basement.
gosh, it sure does. I did it. This is a swing that I bought for him. Tyler, can you act like a tree?
You act like a tree and leave.
Thanks. Do you have squirrels in the trees? Oh, look at the squirrel. Oh.
And you get a shrine of Tyler and Shara.
I was gonna say, we gotta watch you guys over there hugging it out again.
And then here's the basement room.
Yeah. That looks like a red. Here, Shara, let's do this. We can accomplish something while we're here.
I'm gonna let you do that. I'm pregnant.
Oh, wait. I'm old. Oh.
We did it.
We did it. Good job, Tyler. Thanks, hon. Like I said, I'm in Tulsa right now. You want to know why? Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even believe it. For the next 10 days, I'll be doing nothing but Christmas decorating. The most watched, anticipated, waited for thing that I ever put up on my YouTube channel all year long for the last 12 years. What is it? Christmas.
It's Christmas time for Kinwoman.
That's right. I'm here to help my daughter, who's 8 months pregnant, decorate this ginormous home. We're waiting in her living room, looking out the window for
Looking
what?
at my swollen ankles.
Yeah, she's got some cankles going. That's part of having a baby, right?
I didn't know. September has arrived, and so have all the trees. And I hope that my neighbors don't think that we are absolutely crazy.
And guess what? That's where the boots come in, because the theme, well, she'll tell you about the theme.
We decided to embrace the dark molding. Let's leave it till January. Let's leave all the crystal chandeliers, and let's just like fully embrace the history of this home and make it a beautiful traditional Ralph Lauren Christmas.
Here's what I call the theme. I call it hoity-toity ride jaunting to the Pembroke.
What I love is that she calls it Pinbrook. Philbrook.
With wood paneling, libraries, molding, French doors, white Christmas trees, and bears.
Every time she talks about Philbrook, oh, Pinbrook.
I can hardly wait. I do watch some BBC stuff. It's good.
Well, we better get to decorating because we literally only have 10 days to actually transform this entire home. So, love you, mean it, gotta run. Oh, getting up pregnant's a lot harder than it used to be. Oh.
So it's time for me to close out, and they always say that was too long. So I'm gonna give them what they want, all right? You guys know what you really should do, right? Subscribe, like, go to Instagram, join the Christmas, well, you can't, yeah, you can, join the Christmas giveaway box, all that, okay. I didn't say that. All right, you guys, love you, see you next time, bye-bye. Next time, I'm becoming kinwoven. Inappropriate.
I thought there'd be Spanx over there or something.
Well, you're about to get a spanking. You're not too old for that.
Always trimming. I remember when I was little, I used to make these cuts and I would always cut it the wrong direction. I did this. Hello, Josh, this is Shara. How are you?
Da, 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 da. Okay, so what are we? What did we start?
Got it. That's right. Shara, Scout, and I are officially Tolsons.
What about Sawyer?
That's right. Shara, Scout, and Sawyer and I are officially Tolsons. Scout Stevens, Shara Stevens, and Sawyer Stevens are officially Tolsons.
And it makes it so much sweeter that it's all coming to a close. Scout's ready to go.
And it's going to be absolutely fabulous. Is it?
We are normal, but we just like to Christmas decorate. And anyway,
What else?
little.
You know why I'm here? Because we are continuing to become kinwoven, baby. Yeah, I know I'm old and it's embarrassing, but Shara's not in the room right now, so she will never know until this video is up on YouTube for all time and eternity. Too late, baby. Hey, nice shirt. I didn't even know you went to USC.
Are you serious?
Okay, I know you played volleyball. That's what that's for, right?
College, I know you haven't been, so it's still so, it's kind of a big deal.
That was a really good comeback. Flat back, actually.